What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be making a DC motor, but before we dive into that, hit that subscribe button and like this video so you can get 2 weeks of good luck. My name is Emmanuel and this is Tech Modeling. Now I've made a previous video where I made this armature and the link is in the description. I'll be using a piece of wood for the base and 11 cm PVC pipe to hold the magnets. And I'll be using 3 screws, each of 1 cm, to hold the PVC pipe into the wood. Now make sure you tighten the screws into the wood perfectly and very firmly to avoid shaking and wobbling. Now I'm using ferrite magnets from a blower fan, from a car, I don't know where it's from anyway. Glue them down around the PVC pipe and make sure the north and the south pole are facing each other. Cut out some pieces of PVC or wood or whatever material you have laying around, and then use a pen or pencil or anything to mark out the points where you have to cut out. I'm using a box cutter to trim the edges. And then I'm using a plier to remove the excess. And then some sandpaper to smooth out the edges. I'm using a rough sandpaper. Maybe you have a smooth sandpaper, but I definitely recommend that you use a rough sandpaper to smooth out the edges. Magic. At this point, I'm trying to know where I will have to bend to make the armature holder. Now I'm using a lighter to light or melt the PVC pipe so I can be able to bend it. This is 10mm drill chalk and a drill bit. Make sure that the drill bit is tightened very well in the drill chalk to avoid accidents, because you definitely don't want the drill bit flying off. My 555 DC motor got damaged and it's very hard using this drill chalk and drill bits just like this, trying to make a hole in this PVC pipe. But hey, you can like and subscribe to help me get a new one and even a better one. Now all you have to do is put the armature in between the magnets that are facing north and south pole to each other. Use instant adhesive glue. I really recommend that. Use instant adhesive glue to hold the PVC pipes in place. I'll be using a laptop charger to give power to this motor, and as you can see, it runs really well until this happened. As you can see, some coil went loose, I know it's really embarrassing, but I didn't see it when I was making this video, but during the editing I saw that mistake. The motor works really fine, even though the coils are a little bit loose, but it still works really fine. But if you're enjoying this video, which I know you are, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for other videos.
Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with
Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Tech Modeling, and I hope to see you in the next video.